To speed up your Windows 10, first you should check Windows Update. To go and check for Windows Update, should go into the settings and then update and securities. Here you should check whether updates are available or not. In my case it is paused. Go into advanced section and make it on. If you go back, and here you can check for the updates. Now the second thing, power option, make it high performance. Go into control panel, and choose power option. While creating plan, choose high performance and select. Next, create it. Now your high performance power option is selected. And third option is privacy. Type privacy in search bar, privacy and setting. In general, just make it off. Let's app use advertising ID to make ads more interesting to you. If sense for you, then you can on it, otherwise no need to on. Just make it off. Let's website provide local relevant content by accessing my language list. You can make it off. Let's Windows track app launches to improve start and search speed. Search result, you can make it off. Show me suggested content in the setting app, you can also make it off. Go into location, if you don't want the location service, you can make it off. Also, you can clear the history of this device by clicking on the clear button. And here are some apps that are using your location. If you don't want the application use your location setting, you can make it off. Go into camera and choose the application that can use your camera. If you don't want that your application should use your camera, you can make it off. Same way in microphone. You can make off for the application those are not using your microphone. Same way notification. These are the section where you are getting the notification. You can make it off if you don't want any application notification. Same way in account info, you can make it off for application using your account information. Same way for contacts. You can make it off for the application which are not using your contacts. Same way for calendar. Call history, email. Same way task. These you can make off if your application is not using these services. Same way messaging, right? Radio, I make it off. Then go into feedback and diagnostic. You can choose basic, send the data necessary to keep Windows up to date and secure. No need to select full. Let Microsoft provide more tailored experience with relevant tips and recommendation by using your diagnostic data. You can make it off if you don't want. Same way background apps. If you don't want to run your background apps, you can make it off. So here are the apps which is running in your background. So all my apps are off. So this is all about privacy. Then go into system notification that we have already notification and action setting. Here you can make off the notification into your lock screen, get notification from app and other senders. You can off it, so all will get off. You can make it on and select in your customizable form. Hide notification when I'm duplicating my screen, you can off it so that you will not get any notification unnecessarily. Same way defragment and optimize drive. Go into your drives and go into properties. Go into tools and select optimize. This optimization can increase the read-write speed of your drive. Now the next thing is disable unwanted startup program. So to do that, you need to go into task manager, and here you can select startup program and you can disable all the programs which you don't want to use while you are starting your operating system. Delete unnecessary files. You can delete the files from these folders. In order to delete the files into temp, just press Windows R. You will come into the run. Just type temp and delete the content inside the temp. Just keep it because these files are still using by the system, so no need to forcefully delete it. Now %temp delete all the files from this directory also. Same way prefetch. Delete all the files. Same way recent. You can delete all the files. Now you can empty your recycle bin. Then storage, you should go into storage option, and here you can select storage sense. Windows can automatically free up spaces by getting rid of files you don't need, like temporary files and content in your recycle bin. So if you make it on, it will automatically delete all temporary files. Now disk cleanup, you can clean your disk by going to general disk cleanup. This you can do for every partition. Now go into cleanup system files. and then select all the files and then click OK, delete files. Now the next thing is to reduce runtime services. So to make it off, just go into run, type msconfig, inside msconfig you need to go into services and just hide all Microsoft services so that your system will not get affected while you are closing any services. After making hide all Microsoft services, you can select which service you don't want to execute while you are restarting or starting your operating system. So none of the applications are running rather than Microsoft service. That's why I'm not selecting any service. Just press OK. After that you need to restart your system. So this is how you can improve the speed of your Windows 10. Thank you for watching.